Hey everybody, welcome back. For today's really fun video, we're going to germinate some tomato seeds that I purchased last season. So we're going to need a little plastic baggie, our tomato seeds, a little bit of water, and a little piece of paper. And instead of using paper towel, I do like to use this. I've found that using regular paper towel, it has a lot of tissue, little fibers that can actually interfere with the growth, and when you're actually lifting off the little seed with the little stem that's growing off it, sometimes you may break it. So something like this or a little piece of newspaper works perfectly fine. So I've taken 3 tomato seeds out of the package, and I just zoomed in on a little cutting board. I want to show you how small these are, just in comparison to my finger. Super small. It's amazing that something so small turns into a huge plant. So there we have those. So let's zoom back out and continue on. So we've got our plastic bag, our little piece of paper, and I always cut this before I get it wet, just so that I know that it fits inside the bag. So we'll open that up. You can see how small our seeds are there. I'm not sure if the camera can pick them up. I'm just going to get them there. 1, 2, and 3. They blend really well. I do not think the camera is picking those up, but they're right there. And then I'm going to start getting a little bit of water on here. The bag keeps the moisture inside the paper, keeps everything wet. If you don't use the bag, then your paper is going to dry out, and you're probably going to have your paper dry out before you actually realize that it has dried out. And if it does, then your seeds will basically go dead. If they start to germinate and then there is no more moisture, they will die. So just wet it just like that, and then carefully just get that right into your bag. And today is March the 5th. So I'm going to mark that on this, and I am just going to leave this now just like this for a few days, and I'm going to check on it, and when I do see some activity, then I'm going to come back. I also forgot to mention one thing. Until you actually see any germination happening, this does not need any type of light. The only thing required, just leave it in a warm place. You can place that anywhere in your home. Just don't go putting it down in a cold garage or something like that. Just pop it anywhere in your living room, in your kitchen. Just leave it on the counter and you'll be fine just like that. Once our seeds have germinated, then we'll move them into some soil. And as soon as we see a little bit of plant growth, that's where we want to get them into the sunlight. So that's it. This is part 1. And as I continue on, there'll be part 2 and part 3, etc. So that's it for today's video. I will put a few extra links at the end of this video. You can click on them if you want to see some videos from last season. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. There's also a new notification bell. You can click that when you subscribe, and that will alert you when I do a brand new video. I also have a big recipe channel on YouTube, Bake Like a Pro, and you can check me out there as well. I'm much more active there. New video recipes every week. So that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one.